All right, back on Next Cloudinary documentation. Over here, you can see that we have various components for uploading or viewing images. For example, we have an upload button, upload widget, video player, and so on. Let's take a quick look at this upload widget. Look at the basic usage. It's very easy to use. First, we import this component from Next Cloudinary, and then we use it like this. So back to our project. Here in the app folder, let's create a new folder called upload. Then we add a page file here. Next, we create a React component called upload page. Then on the top, we import CLD upload widget from Next Cloudinary and add it to our page. Now, to use this, we have to set the upload preset prop. Where do we get it? We go back to Cloudinary Management Console. On the left, click on Settings. Then go to the upload page. Now, down here, you can see Upload Presets. Click on Add Upload Preset. This is the name for our new upload preset. I'm going to copy this and then change the signing mode to unsigned. This is easier to use. We can also use signed, but I leave it up to you to read the documentation. Now down here, we can specify a folder where our files that use this preset will be uploaded to. I'm going to leave it blank, so all the files that we upload end up in the root of our cloud environment, okay? Let's save the changes. So now we have this unsigned preset, and then we can use this preset here. Now, this widget on its own doesn't have a user interface, so it renders anything that we pass as children. So typically we want to render a button here, but this doesn't work because this component expects a function as its children. So here we pass a function that returns a button. Now here we give it a class of btn and btn-primary. We call the button upload. Now, Next Cloudinary passes an object to this function. We destructure that object and grab the open function. There are other functions here, like, let me show you. We have close, destroy, hide, is destroyed, is minimized, and so on. So for more advanced cases, you need to look at the documentation to see how these functions work. But for now, open is the only function we need, okay? So this function returns a button. Now, here we need to handle the click event of this button on click. And here we simply call the open function, okay? Now, because we're handling the click event, we have to make this component a client component. So on the top, we use the client directive. That's literally all we had to do. Now, back to our application, let's go to the upload page. Here's our upload button. When we click it, we see the Cloudinary upload dialog box. Now, let me zoom out so you can see clearly. All right, look, we can upload files from our computer, from a web address, from camera, Google Drive, Dropbox, and so on. Now, all of this is customizable. For example, in your application, perhaps you don't want to allow any of these sources. You only want to allow uploading from the local computer. We can completely customize the features and the look and feel of this widget, okay? So by default, we can upload multiple files, but we can disable it to allow a single file. So now I'm going to upload 3 images. They're being uploaded. Here's the preview. You can see the progress bar, beautiful. One of them is finished, and we are waiting for this last one. Good. And when we are done, we can upload more or click done. And that's the end of the story. Now back to the Cloudinary Management Console. Let's go to the media library. Over here, under assets, you can see the images that we have uploaded.